Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make an incubator using wood. So I am making the incubator with the scrap wood which was lying around my house. So I have already made an incubator before using the cardboard box. It didn't stay long. After one hatch itself the cardboard was coming out and it didn't stay long. So I decided to make it in a wooden box so that we can reuse it again and again. So in this video I'm going to show you all the process of making an incubator little more spacious. So in this video I'm using all the scrap wood, so I have not spent much money in this incubator, and the thermostat I'm using is the thermostat which I have used in the cardboard incubator. All the accessories I am shifting to this wooden box. So I have made a rough box here. So now I need to close the holes. You can see the gaps. So I need to close that hole by using the Fevicol SH and some wood powder. Fevicol SH is used in wooden works. It is a strong glue that will stick the wood. So I'm mixing the wooden powder to give it a thick texture, and it will make the bonding stronger and last long. So this is the way of mixing the Fevicol SH. So make it a thick paste, and after making it a thick paste we can apply it on the gap. So you can see I am filling the gap, so it's quite easy to fill. Just like M-Seal, we have to fill the gaps. Make sure there is no hole left and every gap is closed. After that keep it for drying for 3 hours in the sun. It will dry in 3 hours. So after that I'm making the top cover to close the lid, so it can be closed and open, and filling all the gaps and placing a bush at the bottom. I want the incubator to be stronger so that it can last long and I can reuse it after hatching each set of eggs for 21 days. So you can see I have done all the wiring and fixed all the thermostat position and all. Axe inside, you can see it is all closed, there is no gap. Now we have to stick the thermocol. We have to make the heat trapped inside the incubator. For that we have to stick thermocol all around. You can see the 12-volt charger which I have used previously. All the things, and the thermostat sensor is kept to the middle so that the egg will receive a correct temperature. I have given a switch, an alternative switch to switch off the fan if it is necessary. And you can see the thermostat with a plastic cover, and you can see I have placed the thermocol inside, cut it nicely so that the heat will be trapped inside and the sensor to the middle. Now I have kept 9 eggs to test the incubator if it is working properly. Afterwards I will increase the quantity of eggs which is kept in. So after 21 days I can see the eggs are hatching. You can see the baby chicken, the chicken coming out. So our incubator has been successfully hatched 8 chickens. As you can see, these chickens have kept 9 eggs and I got 8 chickens. So it is a big success. The heat is properly distributed around the incubator. So hope you have found it helpful. To see all the technical works and set values in the thermostat, you can click the I button and view my previous incubator video, which I have explained the detailed technical works which is done in an incubator. So hope you have enjoyed this video and this beautiful chickens which has hatched out from my incubator. Until next time, peace out.